Hello, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to do the half double crochet stitch. This is one of my favorite beginner friendly stitches. I really like the texture it gives. For today, I will be teaching you guys how to do it in the back loop, just so I can get you familiar with how to do different stitches in different manners. If you find that you like this stitch, I will link in the comments below a pattern for a hat that I really like that's in the back loop, along with a stack of 3 pumpkins that is also in the back loop. Both of these patterns I really love, and both of them I've made quite a few of them. So let's get to the tutorial. For this project you'll need weight 4 acrylic yarn, a pair of scissors, a tapestry needle, a tape measure, and a 6mm crochet hook. To begin your square, you're going to attach your yarn to your hook, whether you do that with a slip knot or a double knot. I prefer a double knot because it's more secure to me. Now you're going to chain 25, so cross over, wrap, pull through. Again, cross over, wrap, pull through. Cross over, wrap, pull through. You'll do that until you have 25 chains. Now you're going to find the 3rd chain from your hook. So the loop on your hook does not count as a chain. Your first chain is right here. 2nd, 3rd. You're going to wrap your hook and put it into the 3rd chain. Then you're going to wrap again, pull through 1. Then you'll wrap again and pull through all 3. Again, wrap your hook. Find your next chain, insert your hook, wrap, pull through 1, wrap, pull through all 3. You'll do that all the way down this chain. Once you have completed that row, we're going to start row 2. So chain 2, turn your work. Now this row is going to be done a little bit different. So instead of going into your box and picking up 2 loops, you're going to go into the back loop, only picking up the back loop. Then you'll wrap, pull through the back loop, wrap again, pull through all 3. This is your front loop, that's your back loop. So wrap your yarn, take your hook and slide it into the back loop. Wrap once more, pull through that back loop. You'll have 3 loops on your hook. Wrap again, pull through all 3. So you're going to do that for the remaining of this row. So I'll show you one more time. Wrap, you'll go into the back loop, grab a loop, pull through, wrap again, pull through all 3 loops. You'll do that all the way down this row. Now that you have finished this row, you should see a little border here. That will be your front row that you didn't go into. If you do not see that line going through here, then you didn't go into the back loop. So now you're going to chain 2, turn, and you're just going to repeat row 2 again. So you're going to wrap your hook, pick up the back loop, wrap your hook again, pull through 1, wrap your hook again, pull through all 3. And you'll continue doing this until you have a total of 14 rows. I'll meet you guys back when I have 14 rows. Now that you have finished your 14 rows, you're going to want to take your tape measure and make sure it's 6.5 inches, 6.25 inches wide, and 6.25 inches tall. Then you'll chain 1, grab your scissors and cut your yarn, and pull through. That creates a knot. Now you'll take your tapestry needle and you're going to weave in your ends. So bring your end all the way to your tips of your fingers and weave in your needle. Now you'll insert your needle close to where you had your knot, but not where your knot is. And you'll weave it in. You'll want to make sure that you can't see it on the front or back side of your piece. Once you're comfortable with how much you've weaved in, you'll take your scissors and cut your yarn. Then you'll stretch your project to make sure the end goes inside your stitch. You'll repeat on the other end. And you have finished your square. I hope you guys enjoyed this stitch and had fun making this square. If you finished your square, please tag me in any of these social medias. I would love to see how they turned out. If you have any questions, comment them down below and I'll do my best to help. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and have a great week. I'll see you on the next video.